Everyone, welcome back. So in the previous videos we have created a section called catalog where we name it as marketing, and it's used for marketing departments. So we have also added 3 resources for this, and we have also added additional owners. So we have added 2 roles for this, which is Ajay and Kiran, and the roles are catalog owner as well as reader. So we have done till now, and coming to this video, it's very short and sweet, where we'll edit a catalog. So I'm trying to keep the videos short, so just let me know in the comments whether you want the videos to combine together or the short video should be fine. So let's go ahead and edit the videos. So if I go to the catalog, here you have an option called edit. So if you remember, in the starting we had kept enabled as no. So right now you can make it as yes. So if it is yes, all the access packages in the catalog will be able to requested by the user in the policy. So that is what it is. So we have added yes, and coming to the external users, make sure that it's no. However, you can keep it yes. So when you keep it yes, users from the external directory can request access packages in this catalog. So this is what it is, and you can change the description or the name of the particular catalog, and you can save the changes. So you can see the relevant resources here, the one which we had it. So we have one group and 2 applications, and coming to the roles, we have 2 roles, one is owner and one is reader. So we can also add access package managers as well as access package assignment managers. So we have not added these 2 because we have created these 2 users. So I just made sure add these 2 users to the relevant roles. So once it is done, make sure that you save it. So successfully we have saved the changes. So we have completed with the task 4, and coming to the task 5, we'll be creating access reviews for the guest users. So for this, I hope you guys have understood the concept of today's video. If you have liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video, and I'll be keeping the relevant videos in the description for you to watch. Thank you everyone.